Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to deposit or withdraw money with JustMarkets broker. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So guys, in this video, I will be guiding you through on depositing funds and withdrawing funds. So first is depositing funds. So first one is log in into your JustMarkets account, and after that just simply click the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and from there just simply choose a deposit from the menu options, and from there just simply select the payment method you prefer, and from there just simply input the amount that you wish to deposit, and from there just simply follow the prompts to complete your deposit and provide the necessary information, and from there you should be able to deposit funds. So now let's move on to the withdrawing funds. So first one is log in into your JustMarkets account and click on the three lines at the top right corner, and from there just simply choose withdraw from the menu option, and after that just simply choose your withdrawal method, for example a payment agent, and after that just simply provide the amount that you want to withdraw. And guys, if you are using a payment agent, ensure you withdraw to the same method used for deposit, and just simply enter the required details and verify your identity. And after that guys, you should be able to receive a code, and just simply enter a code sent to your email, and from there just simply confirm and complete the withdrawal. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Just Markets, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.